Welcome to Tutorials Point. In this video, we will talk about the importance of having a certification and the available certifying authorities. Having a Scrum certification will not only enable you to get better opportunities, but also it will increase the respect of yourself in your own eyes. As they say, if you are comfortable with yourself, you will be comfortable with others. Having a certification will definitely help you to project yourself as someone who practices Scrum right from its principles in terms of your eyes and also in terms of your employer's eyes. While there are many certifying authorities present in the world, the highly recognized certifying authorities are Scrum Alliance and Scrum.org. Scrum Alliance provides certifications for practitioners, trainers, and coaches. For practitioners, the certifications available are Certified Scrum Master, Certified Scrum Product Owner, Certified Scrum Professional, Certified Scrum Developer. For trainers, the certifications that are available are Certified Scrum Trainer. For coaches, the certification that is available is Certified Scrum Coach. Certifications offered by Scrum.org are Professional Scrum Master, Professional Scrum Product Owner, Professional Scrum Developer, and Scale Professional Scrum. This is all about certifications available in Scrum. This also concludes Agile Scrum for Beginners video tutorial. Hope you have enjoyed this and also it added some more knowledge about Agile Scrum. Thank you so much for watching.